Come on, come on.
Now put your hands in the air to the right and the
Check this out. This is just a small introduction to the G-Funk era. Every day of my life I take a glimpse in the mirror and I see little G's trying to be like me. Ever since I put it down, check it out. With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop Dogg double G. But I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky gas hits like every single day. Maybe I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through. 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got some freaks in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you gonna do? I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But we don't love them, no. So we gon' blow an ounce to this. G's up, freeze up for a second, now bounce to this. Come on, everybody sing it. Sipping on gin and juice, laid back. Come on, I can't hear you. Come on,
I'm just rolling.
and I'm laid back. Check this out. Now that I got me some Seagram's gin, and everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now these types of things, they happen all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. See, everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music that be captivating he who listen to the words that I speak as I take me a drink to the middle of the street and get to mackin' to this trick named Sadie. She used to be my homeboy's lady. 80 degrees when I tell that trick, please raise up off these NUTs, cause you kids gonna please. That is
Bow wow wow.
as I mob with the dog pound, feel the breeze, and you know I'm just. Come on, sing that hook. And I'm laid back. I can't hear you. Come on. Rolling down the street. Come on. And I'm laid back. Check this out. Later on that day, my homie Dr. Dre came through with a gang of Tangeray and a fat ass J. Some bubonic chronic that made me choke. Yeah, this ain't no joke. I had to back up off of it and sit my cup down. Tangeray and chronic, yeah, I'm toe down now. But it ain't no stopping, cause I'm still popping. And Dre got some freaks from the city of Compton to serve me. Not with a cherry on top, cause when I get through, I got to shake the dope spot. Don't get upset, girl, that's just how it goes. I don't love them, no, I'm out the dough. And I'll be. Come on, sing that. Come on. Laid back. I can't hear you. I'm just rolling.